In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the archive in Framer if you've ever cleaned up your workspace and then later realized you needed to get back to an older project. Knowing where the archive lives is really important. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through exactly how to access it and share a few tips so you understand what you're looking at once you're there. First, open Framer. You can do this by going to the Framer website in your browser and logging into your account, or by opening it from wherever you usually access it. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your main projects area. This is typically where you see your recent projects and folders. Take a moment to look around this page. At the top or along the side, depending on the current Framer layout, you'll see different sections for things like recent projects, teams, and other folders. What we're interested in is the archive, which is where Framer keeps projects that have been removed from your main active view, but not permanently deleted. Now, to find the archive, look for the section or tab labeled Archive. This is usually located in the project navigation area, close to where you see options like Recent or All Projects. It might be in a sidebar or a drop-down, but it will clearly say Archive. Once you see the archive label, go ahead and click on it. As soon as you do, Framer will switch your view to show all the archived projects associated with that workspace or team. These are typically projects that you or someone on your team has archived to keep the main projects list tidy while still keeping a backup. Inside the archive, you can scroll through your projects just like you would in your regular project view. If you're looking for something specific, use the search bar if it's available to quickly filter by project name. This can save a lot of time, especially if you have a large number of archived items. If you accidentally archived a project or want to bring something back into active use, this is also where you can restore it, depending on your permissions and the current Framer options. The important part is simply knowing that anything you move out of your main view is not gone forever. You can always come back to this archive section to review or restore it later. And that's all you need to do to find the archive.